If you watch this entire video, it has the potential to change your absolute life. I'm speaking from experience. So when you take your t-shirt brand idea and you mix it in with a holiday where people spending a lot of money, that is a recipe to make your sales explode and go to the next level as a shirtpreneur. Now, my personal story is I used to run a Black fatherhood t-shirt brand. And during Father's Day, I would promote that brand and mix it in with the holiday. The second year that I ended up running that business, I did $242,000 in t-shirt sales within 30 days just during Father's Day. And then the year following after that, I did $656,000 in t-shirt sales within 17 days during my Father's Day promo. I ain't telling you nothing that I heard, I'm telling you what I know. And the reason why taking your brand and mixing it in with the holiday is so powerful is because now you're not only dependent on your designs, you're not dependent on your own branding, you're also leveraging a time where people are spending a lot of money. They're buying things for themselves, but the most powerful part is they're buying gifts for other people. And so if you could provide the perfect gift that matches a specific niche, man, it's game over. So make sure you watch this entire video because I'm about to show y'all some game that's going to take it to a next level. Those who have ears, let them hear. All right, T-Shirt millionaires. So the holiday where people are spending the most money is Christmas time. Everybody and their mama buying gifts, people going broke and can't pay their bills during Christmas, you hear me? So with that being said, I know that this is Jesus' birthday, all praises to the Most High. But in this video, I'm gonna focus on Santa Claus. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take Santa and then I'm gonna mix Santa in with some popular niches that people are passionate about and willing to spend money in, and we gonna create some amazing designs. So the first thing that I'm gonna do is I'm gonna come over here to my Midjourney account. Now, when I get into Midjourney, you see that the first niche that I ended up choosing was gardening. Here's Santa Claus amongst fruits and vegetables. And you could say, hey, Charles, why did you end up choosing gardening? Now, the reason I ended up choosing gardening is basically if I come over here to the Facebook Business Manager, I created an ad account, went into the ads manager, and I went ahead and I searched for different interests related to gardening. So we have garden design, landscape design, gardening outdoor activities, home improvement, home and garden. So these are all people who are interested in this topic of gardening. And if I go over here to the right hand side, I can see that the estimated audience size is 136 million to 161 million people. That audience is huge. You get what I'm saying? So if I go ahead and I can take Santa Claus and create some dope design that has him around fruits and vegetables, gardening, planting seeds, riding the track or whatever it is, that's a powerful design that I can sell to a passionate audience. The next niche I'm mixing Santa with is photography. So if we take a look at this, we got Santa holding the camera. You might have him a little Canon, a little Nikon, but this is really powerful. And if we come over here to the business manager again, we can see that I found landscape photography, nature photography, portrait photography, travel photography, wildlife photography. So if we come back over here and take a look at this picture, I could have Santa taking a picture of maybe a tiger or a bear or, just, different animals and stuff like that. So I can go even further down the niche, right? But we can go ahead and take a look at our business manager and say, okay, and I can see that this is 80 million up to 94 million people, passionate people who are into these types of photography. So this is another example that we can sell during Christmas time to photographers. So popular niche that I have is basketball. If we take a look at this, we have 4 pictures of Santa Claus playing ball. He got a ball, he looks like he about to cross somebody over, he might go dunking on somebody. And if you in the US, you know that basketball is extremely popular, all right? So if I come over to the Facebook Business Manager, I see that I have college basketball, Golden State Warriors, NBA Finals, NBA on ESPN, NBA playoffs, NCAA March Madness, right? And there's so many others, magazines, books, leagues, players, right, that you can be able to, find and target. But if I come over here to the right-hand side, I see that this audience is 68 million to 80 million. So I can go ahead and take this basketball design mix with Santa and sell that to hoopers during Christmas. T-Shirt millionaires, do me a big favor. If you find a value from this, like, comment, subscribe, share it with a friend. Next up on the list is tennis. You know how many people out there are passionate about tennis? Serena, Venus, all these different little competitions and stuff like that. Man, tennis. So what we do is we got Santa Claus with a tennis racket that you can sell directly to that niche and to that target audience. So if I come over here to the business manager, I found some interest. We have tennis coach, tennis instructor, tennis professional. And this is really powerful because you see that these are demographics, work, and job titles that people have already expressed on social media. So they put that on their profile. Then we have Association of Tennis, Australia Open, Davis Cup, the championships, United States Tennis Association, all these different things, right? And if we come down here and look at that combined audience, that's 10.4 million to 12.2 million people who are interested in those specific topics. You telling me that we can't put some dope shirts together that can, really serve this audience? No pun intended, during the holidays and Christmas. Let's go ahead and get it, man. Create. Motorcycles, man. Come on, man. What we doing, man? You see Santa Claus on these motorcycles, and these joints look crazy. I ain't even gonna count. Like, these is something different right here, bro. And if we come over here to the Facebook Business Manager, we can see we got these different interests. American Chopper, television show. Chopper, that's a motorcycle. Ducati is a type of motorcycle. Harley Owners Group, that's a club. Harley Davidson, that's another type of bike. And then Kawasaki, which is another type of bike. And if we take a look at this estimated audience size, that's 49.2 million, and then also 57.9 million. So, we got this picture, but imagine if you do sports bikes or Harley Davidson or just like, biker club. You could do all types of variations of this and sell to the max, bro. I hope y'all picking up what I'm putting down. So the Santa Claus playing the drums, man. Come on, man. We got drummers all over the world. You feel what I'm saying? So listen, we got Santa, playing the drums, got the tambourines and everything up there. I think that's what it's called. And if we come over here to the business manager, we can go ahead and we can take a look at all this. So we got drummer as a field of study, drummer as an employer, drummer as a job title. People have put these things on their Facebook profiles. And then we got additional interest, drum workshop, modern drummer, Pearl drums, Tama drums. I'm assuming that those are different brands of drums. And then we got interest like hobbies and activities, drums. And if we come over here to this right-hand side, it has an estimated audience size of 33.8 million to 39.8 million people that you can be able to take these Santa Claus drum pictures, make some designs, and sell them during the holiday, man. You better go get you some paper, man. And the last example I want to get into is weightlifting, bro. Like, you can do so many different things with this. Right now, we got Santa. The two on the left kind of weird, but the two on the right, we got Santa with the barbell. Almost like, he doing some, extended press. He might be going down the squat a little bit, but these is just crazy, right? And you can make all types of different variations. And if I go over here to the Facebook Business Manager, you can see that I ended up doing CrossFit. I did deadlift. I did Olympic weightlifting, strength training, bodybuilder, right? So there's a lot of interest and way more, right? If I click suggestions, we got way more. But if I come down here, this combined audience size is 68.4 million to 80.5 million. That's a game changer, bro. And you can have like different ideas where you can even go to like certain vendors and put them on workout shirts that they can wear during the Christmas holiday. So a lot of opportunities that you can do with Santa, lifting weights. Now, T-Shirt Millionaires, as I promised, I told you that I would give you the prompt that will allow you to be able to figure out all of these different niches. So what I ended up doing is I came over to the brand bot at tshirtmillionaires.ai, and I basically just said, which niches can I mix with Santa t-shirt designs for Christmas? Give me a list of passionate hobbies that I can include with Santa, like fishing, gardening, playing instruments, basketball, etc. And then from here, you can see that it ended up giving me this full list of different niches. And the dope thing about it is it gave me some additional quotes or slogans that I can add with it as well. So for fishing, it has one that's like Santa's real deal, Santa's fishing elves, different stuff like that. So I thought it was cool. And then what I also did is I said, give me 10 more, and then it gave me 10 more. So make sure that you take this, and you could do this with any holiday. Go ahead and mix it in with that specific holiday, let it give you some ideas, and then go ahead to Midjourney and start creating. Now, I also want to give you the prompts that I ended up using for these specific images. So you could take a look at this, and it says Santa Claus wearing a Santa hat, gardening fruits and vegetables, cute cartoon style, 2D vector, t-shirt graphic, bright vibrant colors, white background, feathered edges, feathered contour outline. All right, so that's what I ended up using. And then for all of the images, is I just switched out the subject matter, which is at the very beginning. Also, one thing I want to note, right? Depending on, you know what I'm saying, what race you want Santa Claus to be, for the most part, he's going to come out Caucasian. But if you want him to be black, you want him to be Mexican, Asian, whatever it is, then you got to make sure that you add that. So like for this one right here, I put black Santa Claus wearing a Santa hat on a motorcycle, but all of the rest of this prompt is all the same. I just changed the subject at the very beginning. So make sure that you use that and go ahead and create. And to end this thing off, I told y'all I was going to take my favorite one and go ahead and create a design. So is it going to be the weightlifting? Is it going to be the snowboarding? Like, what we doing with this last design? Well, it's one that I ain't even show you. Take a look at this one right here, man. I got Santa Claus playing the electric guitar. I called him Rockstar Santa. We got the ESTD on there. I put 1225 for Christmas, man. This thing go crazy. If you go ahead and you take a look, I put it on the mock-up and we got a girl with a guitar, you know what I'm saying, with the Rockstar Santa on. So listen, bro, this is a prime example. I'm trying to tell y'all how to get to this paper, and this is a clear way that you can do it. Please take heed and use this information. And until next video, man, you can see it with your mind's eye. That's all you got to do is see it right here. And one day, you're going to be able to see it with your real eyes, man. Peace, T-Shirt Millionaires. I'll see y'all in the next video.